have done is we have agreed upon very uniform systems of measurement. Okay, so there are three famous ones. One is CGS system. CGS stands for centimeter, gram, and second. I think you are aware of these. Let me write the full
Centimeter,
forms.
gram, and seconds.
या सेंटीमीटर क्या होता है? स्केल में बचपन से कर रहे हो.
So I know.
ग्राम.
First only one I think. So I'm reading the second.
ग्राम और सेकंड सबको पता है. ठीक है.
हाँ.
उसके बाद जो होता है फुट पाउंड सेकंड. फुट पाउंड
FPS,
सेकंड मोस्टली.
FPS games. Okay, like that. Okay.
Okay, so foot pound and second.
Okay.
Foot pound and second basically ब्रिटिश लोगों की मतलब प्रॉब्लम है. वो लोग फुट पाउंड में करना चाहते. करो
Don't use FPS, na?
क्या चीज?
You don't use FPS. This
we don't. We will use this one which I am showing you now. This is foot pound. Foot is like 12 inches, 30 centimeter. Pound is like 400 grams, which is 2.5 pounds is 1 kg. तो फिर और ऐसे माइल्स पर गैलन और मतलब गोल्ड को डॉलर पर आउंस. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे अलग इसोटेरिक टाइप मेजर्स हैं. बट currently in the scientific community we appreciate
MKS.
Yeah, the CGS and the MKS. MKS तो है ही स्टैंडर्ड जिसको SI यूनिट ही बोल देते हैं. ठीक है. बट उसके अलावा सेंटीमीटर, ग्राम, सेकंड और उससे रिलेटेड जितने भी 10 फैक्टर्स का डिफरेंस जिसमें होता है all are used.
Deal with the 10 factors difference.
Let me explain. So this is the SI system, International System of Units, and it is followed world round. 10 factor मतलब देखो I have a meter. 1 meter is 1 meter. 1 centimeter is 10 to the power minus 2 meters, or it is 1 by 100 meter.
Yes, sir.
1 millimeter is 10 to the power minus 3 meter, 1 by 1000 meter. Okay. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I think you already know this.
Yeah, this I know.
1 micrometer is 10 to the power minus 6 meter, which is 1 millionth.
You go that deep, micrometer.
We have to go nano, pico, femto.
This femto also, I think. So femto also.
Femto.
Okay.
I'll tell you that. And this is the last. They won't go. I mean, I never encountered anything smaller than femto, so I don't even remember the name of that. I'm totally exam focused.
Then this like below nano and all, I think it will come in chemistry and all. I think so with atoms and all it will come. Like that or any
nuclear physics.
Nuclear physics.
Atomic physics में angstrom भी आएगा 10 to the power minus 10 meters. This is the angstrom, not Armstrong.
Yeah, Neil Armstrong.
This is the angstrom. And femto will come in nuclear physics in 12th class. Picometer does come in atoms and some other places. Nano comes in charges also. Nanocoulomb is charge of something. Nanogram can be mass of something. Microcoulomb also very famous for charge. Millicoulomb भी होता है, millimeter भी होता है. Kilo, many times you'll see like
kilometer.
1 kilo ohm resistance, तो वो हो जाएगा 1000 ohm resistance. उसके अलावा for example 1 kilo ohm will be, kilo मतलब 1000 होता है किसी भी चीज का, right? So this is 1000 ohms. You must have studied this in 10th class. If you
like the continuation, like continuation would be there in 11th grade. Like resistance ohm, like
this
volt,
will come
like
in 12th.
Yeah.
See, 9th continuation will be in 11th mostly, plus some other things, and 10th continuation will be in 12th mostly, plus some other things.
Okay.
So that's how this is gonna work. And for JEE, you need both of these. So a good knowledge of 9th and 10th is a plus point, but is not necessary. Okay. And let me give you one more and then I'll stop. 1 mega ohm. Mega means 10 to the power 6. Anyway, now that we are at it, gigavolt. Giga is 10 to the power 9. And terabyte. 1 TB memory. Everybody knows now. That is 10 to the power 12 bytes.
Okay. Bytes or volt?
Byte है ना. TB लिखा है. TB नहीं लिखा है.
Okay. I thought the
GB
volt you
लिखा है.
wrote. Yeah, so that's why I thought.
यहाँ पे मैं volts की बात, I'm just taking different examples, bytes versus volts versus ohms. So the main thing is the prefix that you have. Micro, mini, nano, like millimeter होता है ना, like that the prefix matters, and that converts to some factor, say 1000, million, 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power 12. Then you have the petabyte is 10 to the power 15.
First
But
time
you
hearing.
won't, petabyte you never heard. Petabyte, exabyte,
I heard. I
yottabyte.
think so. I heard long back, but I don't know the way. Yeah.
Achha.
Okay.
TB,
I haven't seen
terabyte
any
is,
like petabyte laptops and all. I haven't seen. Yeah. Are
aa
they
to
like
gaye.
supercomputers? Are they
Haan,
supercomputers? Yeah. Okay.
of course. I mean, there's no limit to how much memory a system can have. You just
And it would be
shove,
big now. The
yeah,
computer would be very.
you shove 1,000 computers in a room, call it a server. It's a petabyte of storage. Amazon has this very amazing service where they send out a truck, armored truck, to physically take the data out of your company's system and store it on their system. So how that transfer happens is not via the World Wide Web, because it will take thousands and thousands of years at current speeds to transport that. So they put in small boxes. I forgot their name. You can search it up. Amazon Web Services. They will send out a semi truck which is armored,
Okay.
and
I
they
did
have
armor like because for safety and reasons.
yeah, because that data is actually like pretty crucial if they have to send out a truck to get it. Data is actually not a small thing, man. Data is more important than for some people than other things. Like bank account ka aapka data chala jaye, so then you can
I know. Because
kiss
data.
your money goodbye. So they send this semi truck to the facility, and then they have these small what you call servers in which they can store the data. So high speed cables will transfer them. They'll take out each one of them, and these servers themselves are explosion proof, is what they said.
Server room is very big, na?
Yeah, I mean the room itself can be as large as possible, but they just take one truck worth of storage space. जैसे आपका एक SIM card होता है. I have one 512 GB SIM card, Samsung, and you can think
512
that
GB.
yeah, so you can take your thumbnail and put 512 gigabytes on that.
Okay. I thought is the external or internal?
SIM card. Sorry,
Okay,
I said SIM card. No, I meant memory
SIM card.
card. I meant memory card.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you can put a lot of data on a very small area, and still they have to take out, because of this magnitude of numbers, man. This is a large number. You will realize later. Iota joule is the energy for some supernova explosions, but iota is 18. So that's as far as you need to go.
Iota joule is there. Is there anything?
Iota.
Yeah. Is there
Iota byte, exabyte.
Is it like a supercomputer?
Iota byte. No, I don't think iota byte storage is available anywhere. But I know iota joule. I'll tell you one second, and then we'll move on.
There is no device now like in iota, and yeah, it's like that.
Iota byte is a song by Martin Garrix. You can listen to it. Apart from that, iota byte hard drive. Petabyte exists. Iota byte does not exist. Okay. So currently, but soon it will be, right?
In the future, yeah. Okay.
Because iota byte is a lot of memory. Like you take 1 TB of laptop, you have to take 1 million laptops. That's how many.
Now, okay, can like in like future users can be used for like a lot of things.
Once quantum computing comes to the forefront, then you can imagine a huge explosion.
That also will take time.
Everything takes time. So we are reaching our physical capability of making smaller and smaller semiconductor devices. So now that is the new thing that might happen. But that will take time. Yeah. Okay, so that was some prefixes that I told you, not in a very formal manner, but never mind. So this is your SI unit. MKS jo hai, where you take meter, kilogram, and second. That is SI, which is International System of Units.
Okay.
In English. In French, it is Système des Unités Internationales. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's my version of what they wrote. So International System of Units, or SI, is the widely accepted system of units. Now the interesting part is how do they decide what is 1 kilogram? Because that's our next discussion.
Good.
Like, how do they SI quantities and units? How do they decide?
Weighing machine?
Okay,
what
weighing
kilo?
machine is already there. I got it. But then what is 1 kg?
Only 1,000 grams.
What is 1 gram?
100 milli. Basically, sorry, 1 gram
1000
equals
milligram.
1,000
Okay.
milligram. Yeah, 1,000
See,
milligram.
let me be very clear. Gram and milligram itself is derived from the kg. So you have to first define the kg and then you define other stuff. Does
Okay.
that not make sense? Like physically, what is 1 kg? How do you know if something is 1 kg or not?
Use a weighing machine and then you can check how much it's.
Right.
Yeah.
How does the weighing machine know that weight on the this thing is 1 kg?
Good question.
That's what we have to talk
Yeah.
about. It's actually too deep for common day users. I mean, you'll just get a machine, and the main common day user problem is that weight doesn't reduce on the weighing machine. It is always over 100 kgs. That's the problem. But for us students, we have to discuss why 1 kg or how 1 kg is sort of decided. So they literally have a weight of 1 kg somewhere uh, near Paris.
Yeah.
Platinum iridium
What's
alloy.
that? Alloy. Okay.
You know platinum, right?
Yeah. Platinum. Yeah.
Platinum and iridium is another metal.
Irritation.
Iridium.
Iridium.
Irritation. You are getting irritation.
No,
Plati-
first time. Iridium first time.
Platinum iridium alloy.
Yeah, that weighs like 1
Prototype.
kg.
Yeah, prototype
Good
kept
game.
at
Yeah.
Severs, Paris, near Paris, not exactly in Paris. So it is kept in a vacuum chamber, and what they do is, let me tell you, they'll take this prototype, which is probably a cylindrical shaped object. They have called, everyone has called that 1 kg based on some old standard that they might have taken as the standard for this. And then this is now 1 kg. Then when they weigh it alongside another, then that also qualifies as 1 kg if they are equal. When this one weighs alongside another,
Hmm.
this one also qualifies as 1 kg. So what they'll do is they'll take 200 such prototypes, send one to the national laboratories of each country. Like there is the National Physical Laboratory in Delhi, which is responsible for this stuff in India. They send one to the NPL in India. The NPL sends it out to the commercial producers of weights and measures, the one that you will get in the mandi, in the sabzi mandi, in the kiryane ke dukaan. Okay, and electronically also, like they have to test using one of these prototypes if the reading they are getting is correct or not. Even though the mechanism for spring weighing balance and electronic weighing balance is more deep, it's not direct like what we might think, but at the end it has to measure 1 kg and show 1 kg,
Yeah.
and it has to measure 100 gram and show 100 gram. So in the end the prototype still matters for whatever weighing machine you are using. Are you following?
Yes. I'm saying I was thinking that the stones we made like in the sabji mandi they use stones, they put bow like that, and they put it hands like that. And what how they like got the stone, like how much, like it's like 250
Stone
grams
नहीं होता.
there.
Listen, it's
Yeah.
not a stone. उसको बाट बोलते हैं हिंदी में. It is a proper ही है. Basically he can't use an improper one. So it is basically manufactured by some industry using this as the standard.
They don't just pick from the streets and then they put like that and then they make
No. See, listen.
uh,
They shouldn't. I mean, if somebody is doing that, you should not buy from them.
yeah.
Okay, so the thing is that these are available. Like if you were to start something where you need weights and measures, you can just go online on India Mart and get a ton of them. So they are highly available. That's not a problem. Anyone can purchase from any city if you want to do that kind of thing. If anybody wants, He can just purchase from the shop. It is not that costly also. So that guy, when he sets up shop at a mandi, or let's say there is even a sabzi wala on the ready, or the fruit seller. So those people also are able to afford this thing. It's not like very costly. They can get the 250-gram weight. That's an investment upfront that they have to do. 100-gram, 50-gram. I mean, what lower than that will he go? Then he can get the 500-gram and the 1 kg. And then, of course, there is 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg. Right? So all sorts of permutations and combinations are then possible, and he can sell his this thing in a standardized manner. Right? So that's what he or she would do.
I have seen some people use supplementary. They use stone and the same side they'll put some what do you say, vegetables also to make it equalize, something like that.
Stone nahi hai. That's this thing.
Okay, barter. Sorry, barter.
Yeah. This is the weight, standardized weight.
The
so it's
stone
not,
name is barter, or what? It's barter. It's called barter.
I never heard that term though. It's usually called a weight, but what's that thing again? Barter.
You said barter, no?
Nahin, I said the Hindi word. What they call is baat. B-A-A-T. Am I audible?
Okay, baht. Okay, baht. Okay, okay.
Anyway, you don't listen to the Hindi word. That's not should not be registering. What should be registering is weight and standardized.
I can say weighing stone like that.
You can call it whatever you want. That's not a problem, but it's a weight basically. Because when you're learning physics and you have to write it in the exam, it's a weight. Okay. Other things are just practical. So maybe guy will put some rice or dal here, or anything here. Gold if you're purchasing, you put it here, and then he will put a weight here. That stone that you were talking about. It's not stone. It's made of lead mostly, and it is exactly 1 kg, more or less. Right? So then he'll put it there. It's a beam balance. In a beam balance, left hand beam balance, this left will be same as right when this is in the center. Okay. So that's the kind of thing they use. This is based on the moments of forces, or what you call torque, which we'll study when we do rotational mechanics. We'll study about the beam balance also. Anyway, so that's your. So I was trying to explain to you how you choose various units. So mass is literally 1 kg prototype. You have a physical weight weighing stone, as you said, placed somewhere in the world, and that is taken as the prototype. For length, it is more complicated. You know about speed of light?
Yeah,
yeah,
obviously, but it depends where it is. Basically, in vacuum, it's different. Yeah,
it's correct. I'm asking in vacuum only.
Yeah, okay. In meter per second, it would be
oh, you forgot.
Basically like 299 crore kilometer per second.
Yeah, 299 crore. तो पता नहीं, एक मिनट, करोड़ है कि 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 yeah, 3 into 10 to the power 8. मैं तो 3 लाख किलोमीटर per second. So you said crore. It's 3 around 2.99 lakh.
Like if
299,000 kilometers per second, not crores.
Okay. Meter per second, ना? I'm saying kilometer.
तो भाई मैं भी किलोमीटर ही बता रहा हूँ. 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. This will become. तो ये कितना हो गया? 299,000 kilometer per second हो जाएगा.
Yeah, same thing. It would be same only. Yeah, it's same thing. I just like I heard like if someone like travels more than speed of light, then he can like time travel basically.
Nobody like can travel more than speed of light though. That's the problem.
That's no, but speed of like the space is very like how the universe expands is more than speed of light.
Sorry?
Yeah, like how the universe like expands like every second. So basically, it's faster than speed of light. I was saying that.
The expansion of the universe is not faster than the speed of light. Last time I
It's
heard,
it's faster than speed of light. I
I'll
was
have to
just
check that
that's
up. Maybe,
yeah.
maybe it's possible.
You think but yeah, it's searched now.
Mhm. Right. So speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second, which is 3 lakhs kilometer per second. The length, the meter basically, 1 meter is equal to distance traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 8 seconds. So that's what they did. They said, okay, 1 second corresponds to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters. That means 1 meter will correspond to 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 8 seconds. Yeah. Are you able to see the trick here? I took this below. Like, for example, you can get 1 kg rice for 100 rupees. Then for 1 rupee, how much rice you can get? You can get 1 by 100 kg, which is 10 grams. Are you awake?
Yeah. In this world, yeah.
Mhm. So there are various methods of measuring these. We don't have to sort of memorize anything as such that you know how 1 kg is measured or how 1 meter is measured. That would be insane if we had
Like
to memorize
will
it.
they ask in exams like and
They
basically
won't.
how?
That's
Okay.
why I'm telling you that we don't have to remember it.
It's like
Otherwise,
you were just saying it like for like journal knowledge like that.
no, we should know it that each because I have to differentiate between base quantity and
Vector
fundamental
quantity. Fundamental quantity. Yeah.
fundamental quantity and derived quantity.
Okay,
So
okay.
I was just trying to explain that the fundamental quantity is basically based on some real thing, like it is based on the speed of light, the meter. The
Yeah.
mass is actually a prototype. Current has its own way. Time has its own complicated method of calling something 1 second. So those are all base quantities because base quantities are defined by themselves.
See,
They don't.
it's written
Hmm.
29979924558
Yeah, I didn't
speed
go
of light.
into
Yeah.
I didn't go
But
that much precision. I was trying to be roughly correct there, right? But yeah, that's what they wrote. So I'll tell you there are 7 base quantities: length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of
thermodynamic.
substance, which is like moles. Yeah, same thing as temperature. Amount of substance you have to measure in
Okay.
moles. You'll understand mole concept later, I guess. And luminous
Mole I have,
intensity.
in
You
ninth
have
grade I
studied.
studied. Yeah, in ninth grade I
Okay, okay.
studied.
Yeah, so that's the same thing.
But
And
it's
luminous,
blur. It's blur. But yeah.
no problem. We'll get there again. Intensity. We know about most of these things apart from luminous intensity, which has mostly to do with the brightness of something, say the headlight of your car or the brightness of a star. So let's take a look at the units. For length, the SI unit is
Hello, can you please repeat? It's like your voice is breaking badly. Your voice is breaking badly. Like, I think it's because of my network, or yeah, I think it's because of my network. Just a
yeah, it
second.
is because of your
Just a
network.
second. Just hold. Yeah, just a second. Just hold.
Hmm.
I'll do airplane mode and on and off.
Okay, okay, cool.
Hello, it's done. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So, yeah, what is the SI unit of length?
Length. It's
Hmm.
meter, na? Yeah.
Yeah. Symbol for meter is M. SI unit for mass.
Yeah.
What is the SI unit for mass?
kg.
Yeah.
kg, na?
Your network is still unstable though. Time. SI unit of time. You know about time? Why are you muted?
You can't hear me properly. It's like that.
Because you're muted.
Hello.
If you're not interested, I can stop the
No,
class.
just now I got muted.
Because I'm in no mood to give out free classes
Someone
to
came.
people who are not interested.
Some.
Anyway, I'll just take
No,
5 more minutes of your
someone
time
came.
and then you can go. Time. SI unit of time.
Oh no, it's not
Answer,
like
answer.
that.
हाँ बताओ Rohan.
Basically, the
Time.
problem is if someone enters my door,
I can understand.
there's no lock. So basically, it opens like with wind and all. I have to use some chair and all to close it. So that's why I was just closing the door.
So my first recommendation is you get a lock for your door. Okay.
I don't have a lock. I
So,
don't have a lock. Yeah.
they don't allow you because you're a teenager. Okay, what is the time? Time SI unit? Tell me.
Time is seconds, obviously.
Yeah. Current?
Yeah. Ampere.
You studied this in 10th class. Temperature?
Yeah. No, I don't know Celsius, but I am in the book.
Kelvin.
It's Kelvin. Okay.
You're reading from the book. Wow. So why am I asking? Okay.
I'm saying
Substance is
it's
mole.
written Kelvin, but I
No.
thought it's.
Candela. CD.
Like, are you angry or sorry for that?
No, I'm not angry. But
No, you
yeah.
like I got my book, so I thought it would be waste if I don't open the chapter. So that's why.
If you got the book, it's good. Now you start reading also. After the class, you can take a reading of chapter 1. Okay. No, I don't get angry
Problem is
usually.
that
Like,
I'm
what's
still
the problem?
studying 10th grade things. Yeah.
हाँ तो आप अब 11th में जा रहे हो ना?
That but the sorry for my language. But it's like it's not like fully like it's not yet decided. It's like exam.
अच्छा.
Still,
So
but
you
they
just
can have
revise
some
your
small
10th
exam.
stuff.
They
It's
can have
okay.
some small
You
exam.
know what? You just do your 10th stuff for now because you might have your exam and
So
in
that's
class
why.
you can do 11th stuff. Whenever you are ready to start in class, you can do 11th stuff. But at home, you can just keep doing 10th stuff. Because anyway, whatever you study for 10th, and if it's not properly done, then in 12th, you'll have to do it again, the basics, with me. So anyway, you have to do 9th and 10th properly. If you think about it
like anything can happen, like when the like
हाँ यार अभी
another
बहुत
meeting.
अजीब. It's a very अजीबो-गरीब situation. So
like
that's
some
how it
people
is.
start studying, some people like still continue. It's like that. So it's like very confusing. Should we study or not? It's like that. Yeah.
I mean, worst case scenario.
Pain is saying don't study, but heart is saying study. Is like that. Huh?
So just study. That's the thing. Just keep studying. That's fine. It will help you later also. 12th standard.
Yes.
So yeah, do numericals as much as possible. Okay, next, I would like to tell you about the second type of units, which is the last topic for today's class, is derived units. Okay, so think about it this way, like length, mass, time, current, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. There are 7 of these, and then everything else is a derived unit. For example, volume.
Yeah.
What is the unit of volume?
Meter cube.
Yeah, meter cube. You also take liters, right?
Liter
so SI unit is meter cube though. And what about density?
Like no, I forgot. I think so.
Density formula, you remember?
But something. It's like volume of the substance by the volume of water.
No, that was specific gravity. Density by density. Mass by volume होता है. Mass by volume is kg per meter cube.
Okay, mass by volume. Okay. Sorry, my fault.
कोई बात नहीं. No need to apologize. Next is Like I can give you examples. For example, charge. You may have studied. I'm not
Q,
sure.
no?
Two.
Q, the SI unit is
Uh-huh.
Q.
No, SI unit is Q is the symbol. SI
Okay.
unit is Coulomb.
Coulomb,
COU.
yeah,
You
studied
would
in
have
physics.
studied this.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Resistance, Ohm's law, yeah, and all that. Yeah.
Yeah. And what about force? What will be the SI unit for force?
Newton,
Yeah. What about acceleration?
meter per second square.
All right. What about work?
Work is joules. Yeah, joules.
What about energy?
Energy is power.
Energy is power.
Oh, okay, that's a symbol. Okay. P is the okay. Sorry.
And what
Yeah.
about power?
Okay, sorry, my fault. It's uh, heat. No.
Or
Wait a
is
sec.
what?
What? Oh, sorry.
Yeah.